I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
When you die, Minecraft shows your death coordinates in chat. Head straight to those coordinates to find your drop point. Look for obvious landmarks like trees, cliffs, or constructed blocks to orient yourself faster. Items remain in the world for 5 minutes before they disappear permanently. If you respawn far away, use a bed or waypoint to return quickly to the death spot. Avoid jumping into lava or deep water while recovering items. Move cautiously to prevent another death and loss of the same items. Sprint straight to the drop site without detours to save precious time. Use an ender pearl, boat, or elytra to cross obstacles quickly and reach the items faster. Crouch near edges to avoid accidental falls and to pick up items safely. Drop unneeded blocks or tools to free inventory space before collecting valuable armor or weapons. If items landed in water, swim calmly to gather them and avoid drowning. If fire or lava covers items, extinguish flames or build a bridge to recover your gear without burning. If you cannot reach your drops in time, they will despawn and become unrecoverable normally. In single player, or when you have permissions, enable cheats and use /gamma rule keep inventory true to prevent future loss. Restore items by loading a recent world backup or asking a server admin to roll back the region. Consider creating automatic backups every 10 to 30 minutes to reduce permanent loss risk. For long-term prevention, build a safe respawn area and enable a death chest plugin if playing on a server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.